you go.
I
took these chairs like crap.
I have to scoot up.
Oh my word.
Wow.
Dude, that's awesome.
Why'd you guys get a shark made? Black diamond.
Green circle, black diamond.
Blue circles are not blue circles, they're green circles.
Big curve. This is awesome. Go, Michael.
It's a reindeer. It's an alien from outer space.
Make the track smoother, you guys.
They're making Michael their guinea pig.
Libby,
They're what?
that's because Michael's so tiny. Where's the ski lift? Or the sled lift? What is he doing beating the hill?
No, it's not this here. It goes straight down.
Oh my gosh! George, go down the hill. Oh, come on, George.
We took another hill. It was your idea.
Funny if George like.
Oh my gosh, Steve and George are.
That'd be funny. George stepped in the Steve with him. He both tumble from the hill.
Oh, dude, skateboard on the chair, you guys. Guys, skateboard on the chair.
Snowboard.
Oh yeah, snowboard on the chair.
It's your snowboard, guys. You go for it.
Do the belly thing where you slide down on the chair on your stomach.
Ooh, it's cold out here.
To the snow.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be bad.
Oh my gosh.
What the world? Why does the snowman have antlers? What?
He beheaded our snowman.
He beheaded the snowman.
He's a murderer.
What is George going to do with the head of the snowman? Nathan can't even get up there. That was awesome. We got this all on video. Yes.
Poor guys, you're so stupid.
I know. You're like stopping it into the ground now. It's not gonna be anything.
It's just gonna be more slick.
You slide. Oh
Why
my
don't you guys
gosh.
go get like a bucket of water and pour it down. Whatever. So then it's like really slick.
It'll be slick by like tomorrow.
I know.
Not today. It gets hard and rocky and fast.
George.
Here, wait, Josh.
Hi, brother Josh.
Hey.
Watch. You have to. This is awesome.
Josh is like, what in the world?
Hurry up, you guys.
Up, guys. We have to take it for.
Hurry. I'm going.
You gotta watch it go down the hill. It's funny.
This is awesome.
Sit on that. Put the chair down there, right there.
That's a way of getting it up there.
That was a good way to break the chair.
Hurry up!
Hurry up, guy! You're taking forever. There you go, Brother Josh.
Oh goodness.
Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna kill Michael.